Good morning. Greetings from Taipei. Today marks a very special occasion in the relationship between Taiwan and Somaliland. That is the opening of Taiwan Representative Office. Thank you all for attending today's ceremony. I would like to thank the government and people of Somaliland for giving us such a warm welcome. The friendship between Taiwan and Somaliland is based on our common values of freedom, democracy, justice, and the rule of law. These values bind us together and make us stronger. Taiwan is keen to expand cooperation with our friends in Somaliland and work together to tackle global challenges. In the spirit of mutual assistance for mutual benefits, Taiwan is firmly committed to working with Somaliland in areas including agriculture, fisheries, energy, mining, public health, education, and ICT. I am confident that our two countries will make great progress on all of these fronts. And may the Taiwan-Somaliland partnership contribute to the advancement of peace, freedom, and prosperity in the Horn of Africa. Thank you.